What is going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you for tuning in today. We are back here in my 2006 Nissan 350z, and we're actually headed to Target right now because I got this Insta360 X3 camera, which I'm gonna put on the back of the car. I'm super excited. We need to go get an SD card for it though, and then we're gonna put it up there. So I've been watching YouTube lately, and I've seen this angle popping up more and more, and I just couldn't help myself. So I had to buy the Insta360. This is not a sponsored ad by Insta360. I just thought it was really cool, and we're picking it up to see if we can recreate that awesome angle we've been seeing. It pretty much makes the car look like a video game when you're driving it. So we're gonna go this way because we're, like I said, we're headed to Target right now. I need that SD card, and then we're gonna get it set up. It is 87 degrees outside right now, which is a little warm, but for some reason, it just has not cooled off yet around here. I mean, it's gonna be like 101 tomorrow or something, so I don't know. Man, this thing is so much fun. The one thing I am worried about though is the suspension is really tight. Like you guys know, we're on lowering springs. They're Monzo Racing lowering springs, so they're not the highest quality. I mean, probably like 175 for the whole set of 4. So definitely not the best, and the car bounces a lot. I mean, it's cool, but we hit every red light, so it's just the universe telling us to chillax. Oh man, we got a little shake here. A little shake and bake in the steering wheel. Must be my rotors. I think I've done rear rotors already, but I think the front rotors need to be changed. They're kind of warped. They'll warp over time if they're not like super high quality. That's why carbon ceramic brakes are like 20K a set, because you can get those things so hot and they just go back to normal every single time, which, I mean, that's pretty cool, to be honest with you. That's some pretty crazy technology, actually. I had to turn the AC on just because it's just hot. It's just hot. Even though it does rob us of like 10% power. I did read online that in the 350z, the entire AC system takes between 20 and 25 horsepower to run. I always like to turn the AC off just to give us that extra little boost. I did see a comment pretty recently that said for a 15,000 subscriber special, which is actually coming up pretty soon, which is unbelievable, honestly, I should do like a 10-minute video of us just driving with no talking whatsoever, just so we can hear the sound of the car and all the beautiful noises the car makes, because this thing is pretty awesome. Ooh, that sun is going down fast. I don't know if we're gonna make this. I hope we are. I hope so. All right, pulling into Target. Oh man, don't want to scrape. Oh yes. It is so bright out here, but anyways, I'm gonna head in there, get that SD card, and I'll see you in like 5 seconds. All right, here's our setup. Got the suction cups here. Hopefully that stays, and the selfie stick with the 360 on the end. This thing's kind of dirty, so don't look too close, but it looks pretty good from about this far away. Okay, let's go for a drive. It's kind of getting dark, but I think we'll be good. I think we'll be good. At least just to finish off this video, you know? The first test on the 360 camera. I'm kind of nervous. One thing we need to do is make sure it doesn't come off. So I don't want it to bounce too much, basically. I don't even know. Is it? Oh, it's bouncing. Oh, it's bouncing. Well, if it breaks off, we'll know. Well, I mean, I think we'll know. It should make a sound. Oh, our poor front lip, you guys. Our poor front lip. How's it look? Oh, it's bouncing, but it looks all right. It's a test run. It's a test run. All right. I mean, oh man. Oh, that was about as bumpy as it gets right there. Seems like it's holding on. It's a little crooked though. I don't remember it being crooked. That's sketch. That's sketch. Yeah, it's definitely at an angle. I think it's gonna be okay though. I think it's gonna be okay though. Oh man, I'm gonna do it. I mean, I think it's working. don't know. For some reason, I don't really trust it. The second suction cup I'm using, I'll break down the setup here coming up soon in a video, but I think I'm gonna add another suction cup, like a third one, just because it seems a little sketchy, but I mean, sweet. There we go. Oh my God. Oh, should we turn here? Ooh, it's like race car. Coming in hot. You know, I use the dead pedal. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice Camaro. All right, let's pull over right here. Let's end this video. Crank the AC so it's nice and cool in here when we get back inside. That's what you do, you know? Boom. 360 camera. Survived. Actually, yeah, I don't know what happened there. Huh. That's pretty sketch. See, that's why I'm saying I think it needs another one like right over here on this side. Hi. Oh, so this is a 360 camera, and so it basically, when my car's driving, it looks like you can see from this side. It's pretty cool, actually.
So can you kind of see all around the car?
Yeah. Here, let me get my camera. I'll show you real quick.
Oh,
oh, thank you. It's like my pride and joy.
I guess so.
See, so you get like this angle.
Oh my God.
Oh, the headlights aren't on? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Join the family. I post videos about this 350Z seriously all the time. And if you enjoy it, I really hope you join the family. Man, this thing is super cool and it stops people everywhere I go. If you've been looking to get a Nissan 350Z and you haven't yet decided if you want to pull the trigger or not yet, I highly recommend just doing it. This car for the money is more than I expected when I bought the car. And I know it will be for you as well. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.